Hello, my dear student. I am Krishna Kumar. Today we will discuss about the harmful microorganisms of the second lesson. In this topic, we study about the different kind of harmful microorganisms and the disease caused by them. The such type of the disease are caused in all kinds of the animals, humans, and other kind of the living organisms. First, we see here the harmful macroorganisms. The harmful macroorganisms are known as the pathogens. Macroorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of the macroorganisms cause disease in human beings, plants, and animals. Such disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink, or the food we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable disease. For example, of such disease include cholera, common cold, chickenpox, and tuberculosis. When a person suffering from common cold sneeze, fine droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing. There are some insects and animals which act as carrier of disease causing microbes. Housefly is one such carrier. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. However, the contaminated food is likely to get sick. Whenever the person eat the such type of the food, they fall sick. And the other example of the harmful microorganism carrier is here mosquito. Examples of carrier are the females Anopheles mosquito, which carries the parasite of malaria. Female Aedes mosquito act as carrier of dengue virus. All mosquitoes breed in water, hence one should not let water collect anywhere in cooler, tire, flower pot, etc. Some common human disease caused by microorganisms. First, human disease tuberculosis. Their causative microorganism is bacteria. Mode of transmission by the air, and the preventive measures is keep the patient in complete isolation. Measles, chickenpox, both are viral disease. Their causative microorganism is virus, and mode of transmission is air, water, or direct contact. And in this also keep the patient in complete isolation. Cholera, typhoid, these are bacterial disease. Their causative microorganism is bacteria, transmitted through the mode of transmission is through water, food, and preventive measures we can take for such type of the disease. Maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits, consume properly cooked food, and boiled drinking water. Vaccination. Hepatitis A is viral disease. Causative microorganism is virus. Mode of transmission through the water, and preventive measures is drink boiled drinking water, and should we take the vaccination. Malaria. The causative macroorganism is protozoa. Mode of transmission is mosquito. And preventive measures is use mosquito net and mosquito repellent cream, spray insecticides, and control breeding of mosquitoes. So these are some common human diseases caused by microorganisms, and their mode of transmission and preventive measures are there. Disease causing microorganisms in animals also, not only in plants. Several microorganisms not only cause disease in humans and plants also, but also in other animals. For example, anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by a bacterium. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by a virus. So these are the disease caused into the animals by the microorganisms. Robert Koch in 1876 discovered the bacterium Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax disease. So the bacterial disease is discovered by the Robert Koch in 1876. The next is here disease causing microorganisms in plants. Several microorganisms cause diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, and others. The diseases reduce the yield of crops. They can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes. As we know, the plants give the production when they are healthy, but when the microbial infections is caused, then the production of the plants will be affected. Some common plant disease caused by microorganisms: citrus canker. Microorganism is bacteria. Mode of transmission through air. Rust of wheat caused by the fungi. Mode of transmission is through air or seed. Or yellow vein mosaic caused by the virus. Mode of transmission through the insect, and it is caused into the bhindi, okra. Thank you. Have a nice day for watching my video. Thanks.